Hey everyone, welcome to Easy English Podcast. I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Me too. Hi, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. Hello to all our amazing friends watching from around the world.
Oh, Tom, quick question. What did you do this morning before coming here?
Let me think. I woke up, had some coffee, checked my phone, the usual stuff.
See, that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Wait, what do you mean?
You just described your morning routine in perfect English, and you didn't even think about it.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Everyone has a daily routine, right?
Exactly. And today, we're helping you talk about your daily routine in natural, easy English.
This is so practical because every single day you do the same activities. Waking up, eating, working, sleeping.
Right. And if you can talk about your routine, you can have real conversations with English speakers.
So don't worry if you're a beginner. We'll go slow, use simple words, and give you lots of examples.
Yes, and by the end of this video, you'll feel confident talking about your day in English.
All right, before we start, if you want more easy English lessons like this one, just hit that subscribe button below.
Yeah, and if this video helps you, give it a thumbs up so we know you're enjoying it.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about daily routines.
Okay, Tom, let me ask you something. Why is it important to talk about daily routines in English?
Oh, that's a great question. I think it's because routines are universal. Everyone has them.
Exactly. Whether you're in Japan, Brazil, Egypt, or Canada, everyone wakes up, eats, and goes to sleep.
Right. So when you meet someone new, talking about your routine is a perfect way to start a conversation.
Yes, like, what time do you wake up? Or what do you do in the morning?
See? Super simple questions, but they open up a whole conversation.
And the best part is, you're just talking about your life. You don't need to study complicated topics.
True. You already know what you do every day. You just need the English words for it.
Exactly. So today, we're giving you those words and showing you how to use them naturally.
All right. Let's start with the basics. Sarah, what's the first thing you do every morning?
The very first thing, I wake up.
Perfect. I wake up. That's your first routine activity.
Yes, and usually I wake up around 6:30.
Nice. So you can say, I wake up at 6:30.
Exactly. What about you, Tom? When do you wake up?
I wake up at 7, sometimes 7:15 if I'm really tired.
Oh, so you're not an early bird.
Not really. I like sleeping. But after I wake up, I get out of bed.
Yes, get out of bed. That's important. You wake up first, then you get out of bed.
Right. Some people wake up and stay in bed for 10 more minutes scrolling on their phone.
Oh, guilty. I do that sometimes. I wake up, but I don't get out of bed immediately.
Same here. It's so tempting. But okay, learners, here's the tip. Wake up means your eyes open. Get out of bed means you actually leave the bed.
Yes, two different actions. For example, I wake up at 6:30, but I get out of bed at 6:45.
Perfect example. Now, Sarah, after you get out of bed, what do you do?
I brush my teeth.
Ah, yes, brush my teeth.
Very important. Yeah, I can't skip that. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Wash my face. Good. So you have a little morning routine in the bathroom.
Exactly. What about you?
I do the same. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and sometimes I take a shower.
Oh, you shower in the morning?
Yeah, it wakes me up. Do you take a shower in the morning?
No, I take a shower at night before bed. It relaxes me.
Interesting. See, everyone's routine is different. That's what makes it personal.
Yes, and learners, pay attention here. We say take a shower, not make a shower.
Right. Take a shower is the correct phrase. I take a shower in the morning.
Perfect. So now we have wake up, get out of bed, brush teeth, wash face, take a shower.
Great. Let's keep going. After the bathroom routine, what do you do?
After that, I get dressed.
Get dressed. That means put on your clothes, right?
Yes, I get dressed for work. Usually I wear something comfortable.
Nice. I get dressed too, but honestly, it takes me like 2 minutes.
Really? Only 2 minutes?
Yeah, I'm not picky. I just grab whatever's clean.
Oh, lucky you. It takes me at least 10 minutes to decide what to wear.
Why? What's the problem?
I don't know. I stand in front of my closet and think, this shirt, no, that dress, maybe.
That's funny. I never have that problem.
Well, you're easygoing. I'm more complicated.
Fair enough. So, learners, you can say I get dressed or I put on my clothes. Both are natural.
Yes, and if you want to be more specific, you can say, I put on my shirt or I put on my shoes.
Right. Okay. After getting dressed, then what?
Then I have breakfast.
Breakfast, my favorite part of the morning.
Really? You love breakfast?
Yeah, I have breakfast every single day. I can't skip it.
Wow, I sometimes skip breakfast if I'm in a hurry.
Oh no, breakfast is so important.
I know, but when I'm late, I just grab coffee and go.
Coffee? That's not breakfast.
Well, it's something. What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have eggs, toast, and orange juice. Sometimes I have cereal.
That's a big breakfast. I usually just have yogurt and fruit.
That's light. But hey, everyone's different. The important thing is to say, I have breakfast, not I eat breakfast.
Wait, really? We don't say eat breakfast?
We can, but native speakers usually say have breakfast. It sounds more natural.
Oh, okay, so I have breakfast at 7, not I eat breakfast at 7.
Exactly. Same for lunch and dinner. I have lunch, I have dinner.
Got it. Good tip. Thanks, Tom.
No problem. All right, so we have wake up, get out of bed, brush teeth, wash face, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast.
Wow, that's already a lot.
Yeah, and we're just in the morning. But don't worry, learners. You don't need to say everything. Just pick the most important parts.
Right. For example, you can say, I wake up at 7, have breakfast, and go to work.
Perfect. Short and simple. Okay, let's keep going. After breakfast, what do you do?
After breakfast, I leave the house.
Leave the house. Good phrase. What time do you leave?
I leave around 8, sometimes 8:15 if traffic is bad.
Traffic. Everyone's nightmare.
Right? What about you? When do you leave the house?
I leave around 8:30. I work close to home, so I don't need to leave super early.
Lucky. I have a 30-minute commute.
Oh, that's not too bad. Some people have 1 hour or more.
True. So, learners, leave the house means you go outside and start your journey to work or school.
Yes, and you can also say, I leave for work or I leave for school.
Right. For example, I leave for work at 8.
Perfect. Now, how do you go to work? Do you drive? Take the bus?
I take the bus.
Okay, that's a common way to commute.
Yeah, it's easy. I just walk to the bus stop and wait.
How long does the bus ride take?
About 20 minutes. It's not too long.
That's nice. I drive to work.
Oh, you have a car?
Yeah, I drive every day. It takes me about 15 minutes.
That's fast. Do you like driving?
Sometimes. But when there's traffic, I get frustrated.
Oh, I understand. Traffic is the worst.
Yeah, but okay, learners, here are some useful phrases. I take the bus. I take the train. I drive to work. I walk to work.
Yes, and you can also say, I ride my bike if you use a bicycle.
Right. So think about your routine. How do you go to work or school? You can practice saying it in English.
Exactly. For example, I take the subway to work every day.
Perfect. All right, so you arrive at work. What time do you start working?
I start working at 9.
Start working at 9. Clear and simple. What do you do first when you arrive?
I check my emails.
Yes, emails. Everyone checks emails in the morning.
Yeah, it's the first thing. I check my emails and see what I need to do today.
Same here. I check my emails and make a to-do list.
Oh, a to-do list. That's smart. Do you write it on paper or on your computer?
On my computer. I like keeping everything digital.
I write mine on paper. I like crossing things off with a pen.
Old school. I like it.
Hey, it works! Okay, learners, you can say, I check my emails, or I make a to-do list when you talk about starting your workday.
Yes, and you can also say, I have a meeting or I work on a project.
Right. For example, I have a meeting at 10, or I work on reports in the afternoon.
Perfect. All right, so now we're in the middle of the day. Let's talk about lunch. What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12:30.
12:30. Okay. Do you eat in the office or go out?
I usually eat in the office. I bring lunch from home.
Oh, you pack your lunch. That's healthy and saves money.
Yeah, exactly. I make a sandwich or bring leftovers from dinner.
Nice. I usually go out for lunch. There's a cafe near my office.
Oh, fancy. What do you usually order?
Just a salad or a sandwich, nothing crazy.
Sounds good. So, learners, you can say, I have lunch at 12 or I eat lunch at 1.
Yes, and you can add details like I bring lunch from home or I go out for lunch.
Right. For example, I bring lunch from home because it's cheaper.
Perfect. Okay, after lunch, you work some more, right?
Yeah, I work until 5 or 6.
Same. I finish work around 5:30.
Finish work. Good phrase. So, I finish work at 5:30.
Yes, and after that, I go home.
Ah, go home. Everyone's favorite part of the day.
Right? After a long day, going home feels so good.
Totally. What time do you get home?
I get home around 6. What about you?
I get home at 6:30, and I'm usually so tired.
Same. The first thing I do is take off my shoes and relax on the sofa.
Oh, me too. I love that moment. Just sitting down and doing nothing.
Yes. Okay, learners, get home means arrive at your house. For example, I get home at 6.
Right. And take off means remove. I take off my shoes or I take off my jacket.
Perfect. So after you relax a bit, what do?
I make dinner.
Make dinner. Okay, so you cook.
Yeah, I like cooking. It's relaxing for me.
That's nice. What do you usually make?
Simple things. Pasta, stir fry, soup, nothing fancy.
Sounds delicious. I don't cook much. I usually order food or eat leftovers.
Oh, you order food? Like delivery?
Yeah, I order pizza or Chinese food. It's fast and easy.
Fair enough. Everyone's different. So, learners, you can say, I make dinner if you cook, or I order food if you get delivery.
Yes, for example, I make dinner at 7, or I order pizza on Fridays.
Perfect. Okay, after dinner, what do you do?
After dinner, I watch TV.
Watch TV. Classic evening activity.
Yeah, I like watching shows or movies. It helps me relax.
What kind of shows do you watch?
Comedies, mostly. I like laughing before bed.
That's nice. I watch documentaries or dramas.
Oh, dramas. Aren't those intense?
Sometimes, yeah, but I like the stories.
Fair enough. So, learners, you can say, I watch TV, or I watch a movie, or I watch YouTube.
Yes, and you can add what you watch. I watch comedies or I watch the news.
Right. For example, I watch the news every evening.
Perfect. Okay, Tom, after watching TV, what do you do?
I get ready for bed.
Get ready for bed. Good phrase. What does that include?
I brush my teeth again, wash my face, and change into pajamas.
Same. I also set my alarm for the next morning.
Oh, yes. Setting the alarm is so important. I always set mine for 6:45.
I set mine for 6:30, and I put my phone on the charger.
Good idea. So, learners, get ready for bed means prepare to sleep. You brush your teeth, change clothes, maybe read a book.
Yes. For example, I get ready for bed at 10.
Perfect. And finally, what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 10:30.
I go to bed around 11.
So you're a night owl.
A little bit, yeah. I like staying up late.
I can't do that. If I stay up late, I'm so tired the next day.
Yeah, I understand. Everyone needs different amounts of sleep.
True. So learners, go to bed means you lie down and try to sleep. For example, I go to bed at 11.
Yes, and remember, go to bed is different from fall asleep.
Oh, good point. Go to bed means you get into bed. Fall asleep means you actually start sleeping.
Right. So I might go to bed at 11, but I don't fall asleep until 11:30.
Exactly. For example, I go to bed at 10, but I fall asleep at 10:30 because I read first.
Perfect example. Okay, so we've talked about the whole day. Let's quickly review.
Yes, let's review. So in the morning, you wake up, get out of bed, brush your teeth, wash your face, take a shower, get dressed, and have breakfast.
Right. Then you leave the house, take the bus or drive to work, and start working.
In the afternoon, you have lunch, finish work, and go home.
In the evening, you make dinner or order food, watch TV, get ready for bed, and go to bed.
Perfect. That's a typical daily routine.
And learners, remember, your routine might be different. That's totally fine.
Yes, the important thing is to use these phrases and describe your routine in English.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about a few tips to help you sound more natural.
Okay, tip number 1, use time words like usually, always, sometimes, never.
Yes. For example, I usually wake up at 7, or I always have breakfast.
Right, or I sometimes skip lunch, or I never go to bed before 10.
Perfect. Adding these words makes your English sound much more natural.
Tip number 2, don't worry about saying everything, just say the main activities.
Right. You don't need to describe every single detail, just the important parts.
For example, you can say, I wake up at 7, go to work at 8, and come home at 6.
Yes, short, simple, and clear. Tip number 3, practice with a friend or even by yourself. Just say your routine out loud.
Great tip. Speaking out loud helps you remember the phrases and feel more confident.
Yes, you can even record yourself and listen back.
Oh, that's smart. Okay, tip number 4, pay attention to verbs. Some verbs go with specific words.
Like, take a shower, not make a shower.
Right, or have breakfast, not eat breakfast.
Yes, these are called collocations. They're common phrases that native speakers use. So, learners, if you're not sure, just listen to how we use the verbs and copy that.
Exactly. Practice makes perfect.
All right, Sarah, I think it's time for the fun part.
Oh, yes. Let's ask our viewers to share their routines.
Exactly. So, everyone watching, we want to hear from you. What's your daily routine?
Yes, write it in the comments below. You can start with, I wake up at, and then add the other activities.
For example, you can write, I wake up at 6, have breakfast at 7, go to work at 8, and come home at 5.
Perfect. And don't worry if it's not perfect. We're all learning together.
Right. The goal is to practice and have fun. So go ahead, write your routine in the comments.
And if you have questions about any phrases, ask us. We'll try to answer.
Yes, we love reading your comments. It helps us understand what you need.
So don't be shy. Share your routine, ask questions, and let's learn together.
All right, Sarah, I think we've covered so much today.
Yeah, we talked about waking up, going to work, having meals, and going to bed.
And remember, talking about your daily routine is one of the easiest ways to practice English.
Yes, because you're just talking about your life. You already know the information, you just need the English words.
Exactly. So keep practicing, keep using these phrases, and you'll get more and more confident.
And if you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Easy English Podcast.
Yes, we have more easy lessons coming soon, so stay tuned.
All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching today.
Yeah, thanks for being here. We really appreciate you.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, learning English should be fun.
Exactly. See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.